Perché sei così bassa?
Io voglio stare là, non è che le voglio.
Ma soli?
This matchup would be Bianca's match to lose as she connected, but almost only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades. Step up insecurity at 45, Bianca Belair, and again looking for the KOD. Bianca with the KOD. It was a jawbreaker type maneuver. Couldn't tell from the angle we saw, but I'm pretty sure the crown of Liv's skull connected to the chin of Bianca. Now, Becky Lynch, and a jawbreaker again by Liv. Becky was going for that handle slam, I believe. Now Belair caught. Oh, goodness, lands on her feet somehow. The ESPN. Becky lands on her feet, working from behind. Oh no! Becky Lynch!
Prendi verso l'alto per il link nel video. Sponsorizzato termina tra 21 nei milioni. Ospitale. Popolare Salone. Formulare.com. Alimentare. Visitare. Condividere il video. Introduci il prossimo video, pulsante. Santa tra 11. Sponsorizzato. Santa tra 11. Santa tra 5.
In 30 secondi. Basta aprire l'app.
Salta. Pulsante. Termina tra 26. Per visitare il sito web, usa lo smartphone per scansionare il codice QR.
D'ora in poi anche tu investirai in un...
Notifica batteria telecomando carica completata, chiudi pulsante.
Alexa has a lot of experience inside the elimination chamber. She actually won it early. Of course, chamber for the winner back in 2008.
더. 더.
Eso te voy a llevar.
한테 더.
Previously, but Alexa Bliss has this demented grin on her face. She knows more about how dangerous and damaging this fight is. Yes, she's ready